Okay, today I am going to demonstrate the Drunkie hat. Drunkie, nicknamed Drunkie.
Okay.
I got this hat for my birthday, my 21st birthday. As you all know, my 21st birthday just went around. My friends decided that it would be a good idea to get me a Drunkie hat, which I thought it was a great idea. So today is going to be the first time that I try it out. I'm going to put 2 beers in each side and put the little tubes down into the beer and then attempt to chug both beers within so much time.
Here,
Shorter than 3 minutes and 14 seconds, of course. But, so yeah, let's get to this. Okay, first open my beer, Busch Light, of course. Tube in.
All the way to the bottom.
All the way to the bottom. All the way to the bottom. Let's see if I can do this without spilling beer on my head.
Don't spill it.
Okay. I think you're supposed to put the beer in there, put it on your head, and then put the...
You spilled it.
Whoa!
Here, let me get it.
Okay, it's alright if I smell like beer going to my dress shopping, bridesmaid dress shopping.
That's okay. Well, don't look
You
down.
can't bend down!
Oh my
Okay.
God. Don't look down.
First, I don't know what this little white piece is, but we're gonna go.
Unclips it.
Okay. They're in there. Alright.
Wait, hold. Let's set the timer.
Let me get it going first.
Is it going? Okay, here we go. Don't move your head. What?
It's fucking cold, man. I guess if you get it going, you can't stop it.
That's what the clip's for.
It'd be a lot better if this fucking shit was warmer.
Heating and air conditioning guys are here. Go, Shady, go.
Come on, you can do 2 of them.
It's fucking cold, man. How empty are
Don't
they?
look down.
They're definitely not even getting empty, I don't think. It's too fucking cold.
That's a 2 beer.
I don't think they're fucking getting empty at all.
Keep
Yeah,
drinking.
they are. You're drinking.
Don't look down.
You can see it going through the hoses. It's coming down.
It'd be a lot better if it wasn't fizzy. You gotta figure that out.
Gotta burp more.
Ugh.
That's how you start out before you go bridal shopping, huh?
Drunkie starts out that way.
I would start that way every time.
About popped out.
Doing good. 2 minutes, 20 seconds. Uh-oh.
Oh, we hear the end of the can.
I think that's it.
I witnessed that. That was pretty good.
2:37. Good job there, Shady.
Ugh. Now I'm gonna definitely smell like beer.
That was pretty good. I had to tell you that.
There we go. First run, man, that shit was fucking rough.
You got beer all over you?
Grabs Brandon a beer.
Yeah. All right. Have fun, Jenny.